Yeah. Perfect. All right, YouTube, this is your Saito FG-60, custom in the US, being freshly rebuilt, running on a Menz 2210. We don't have an exhaust at the moment, but the customer already have a custom exhaust for it already. So good top RPM with the prop running about 162 on the top end, so pretty happy with that. Okay, cheers.